Good morning, sis, and welcome here. Welcome if you're new here. We are getting some things done today. This was such a beautiful morning, and the sun was finally shining. So we have been having so much rain non-stop, and there was a couple of things that I could not do. We even had the heater on. We just had a bunch of cold, chilly, rainy days, and so I could not do certain things that I wanted to do. And so when I saw the sun coming out, I thought this is the perfect opportunity for me to get some homemaking done that I wanted to do. So the first thing I did was I took out our rug. In this rug someone just recently gave it to me. Totally not my vibe, totally not my style, but I was grateful that one of my neighbors called me and she basically gave me this rug. So it was quite dirty, and I just decided to take it out this morning. As I said, it was a sunny day. I took it out in the garage because I wanted to later on just give it a scrub, I also decided to just remove my covers because that too I wanted to just put in the washing machine and just give it a nice wash. All I was craving for was just like a deep clean type of situation where the place just felt fresh again. And after a rain, you just want the space to feel fresh again, to clean it again after you see some sun. And so I just took off all the covers, and man, I just a few videos ago gave this couch of mine a nice deep clean, a nice sweep, and there we were again. If this doesn't show that we love on this couch, I don't know what will. Early this morning, I put some of my curtains in the washing machine. This rain has been so crazy and so unpredictable, and I decided to just do 2 loads of laundry. This is one of the things that is long overdue. This is the first time I'm actually washing these chairs. I do not like the material. I don't like the color. It looks dirty to me all the time, but it's the material. It's the color of the chair. So I just wanted to wash it. I started washing it, and my sister didn't really feel well, but after a while she decided to help me out to help me get done faster. But I would like to just get another material and just redo the chairs just to give it a nice and fresher vibe and just a new look, because I really do not like the material nor the color. But nevertheless, we just decided to wash it, just use dishwasher to wash it. Like I said, it's my first time washing it. I wasn't really sure if it would stain, if it would leave watermarks, and so I didn't really go in with a strong detergent or anything like that. And so I just took my brush and took the back side of the brush to just get most of the water out, and there was a lot of soap still in there. And so I used the back side of my brush, used the back side of my brush so that I can get at least most of the water and soap out of it. It was quite wet, my yard after that, so I just gave it a nice little mop. So we also still wanted to do the table inside of the house and the glass inside of the house, so I just went in, wiped down the table, the glass, gave it a nice clean, wait until it dried a little bit, and then I just moved it in my room, placed it on top of my bed just for the glass to be safe, right? My sister really didn't feel well, and so she was cramping really bad, and so I really didn't want to bother her, but she was helping me out here and there as much as she could. And so I just cleaned both that glasses very, very nice, and just placed it on my bed, as I wanted to also still clean the bottom part of the tables. And then my camera decided to die on me. I charged it a little, continued cleaning the bottom of those tables, and I just waited until it dried completely, and then later on I just asked my husband to help me put back that glass. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. I hope that this was some motivation to get that area done that you need to pay attention to, that you need to give some attention, that you need to do a little bit of work in. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Stay blessed, stay kind, stay safe.